Hello guys, welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM guys. Hope you're feeling good, hope you're fine now guys. In this video I'm talking about the Stellar XLM price prediction. What's the price changes occur, what will be the next move of the Stellar XLM? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about the Stellar XLM guys. So guys, the current live price of the Stellar XLM is 0.355125 USD dollar. That is the current live price of the Stellar Lumens at this time in the market guys. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the price changes over in the Stellar XLM, so you can see here guys that the last 1 hour, the last 1 day changes occur in the Stellar XLM is going negative, and the last 1 week changes of the Stellar is going positive 3.02% changes occur in the XLM, and the latest changes is going wrong simply guys. Now guys, let me show you the price chart for better understanding guys. You can see here guys that the latest price, I'm talking about the latest price update. So you can see guys that the last 3 day price chart of the Stellar XLM is going negative 7.22%. Negative 7.22%. The price of the Stellar XLM is going wrong, going negative. And other side, if we talk about the price change, so you can see here guys, price chart also clear that the price falls down. So guys, why the price falls down, don't worry about that, that's easily matter and these days, because you know what guys, in the last half month every coin falls down due to the short-term investor selling. So don't worry about these negative changes. After a few days the price changes will again become positive and you get profit guys. Now the live price of the Stellar XLM is 0.3533 USD dollar. That is the live price of the Stellar XLM. Hope you like this update video. Subscribe now our channel for more updates videos about the Stellar XLM.